Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Mixed veg is something that I often make at home during this season because it's one sabji which my family and I guess everyone likes. Made with lots of seasonal veggies like cauliflower, beans, carrots, peas. This Dhaba style mixed veg recipe is spiced and pairs beautifully with roti naan. So let's begin with the recipe. So in this bowl I have taken some steamed veggies like cauliflower cut into medium sized florets, carrots and beans cut diagonally, potatoes cut into this shape and size, and some peas. And along with these veggies I'll also include some red and green bell peppers cut into chunks like this, as well as some onion chunks. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we will heat some refined oil in a pan, say around 1 tablespoon. And when the oil is hot enough, we will add the steamed veggies as well as the bell peppers and onion chunks. And on medium flame, we will saute the veggies for just 2 to 3 minutes until the color of the veggies slightly changes. And since the veggies are steamed, they are almost 50% cooked. And later again, we will cook them along with the spices. So these are done now. I'll turn off the flame and transfer the veggies into a bowl. And now in the same pan goes another tablespoon of oil, and when the oil is hot enough we will add 3 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. On medium flame, we will saute them well until the raw taste of onion, ginger, garlic goes away and they turn golden brown in color. And now into this we will add the puree of 1 large ripe tomato. We'll saute this well on medium flame until the water from the tomato puree dries out. And by now the onion, ginger, garlic and tomato puree has been fried well. At this stage we'll add some spices. Here goes some salt as per taste. Then goes around 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder for some spiciness, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder for color, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder. We'll quickly mix all the spices well on low flame. I'll add now a splash of water so that the spices don't get burned, and also this will give a thick gravy like consistency. And at this stage we'll add the sauteed veggies into the masala gravy, and on medium flame we will mix the veggies well along with the masala so that they are well coated and combined well with the spice mix. Alright, mixing is done, and now we will cover and let this cook on low to medium flame for about 6 to 8 minutes. It's almost 8 minutes now. Let's check the veggies once. I'll add now a small cube of butter, and this will give a nice buttery flavor to our mixed veg. And by now the veggies are also cooked well. Finally, I will add around 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, as well as some crushed kasoori methi leaves. This will give a nice flavor to our Dhaba style mixed veg recipe. And friends, this sabji is already smelling so good, and today me and my family is going to enjoy this with roti. And just before turning off the flame, I'll add some chopped coriander leaves. We will now garnish our mixed veg sabji with the chopped coriander leaves. We'll stir this once. And our dhaba style mixed veg is now ready to be served hot. So friends, do try this dhaba style mixed veg recipe which you can enjoy with roti or naan. And if you like my videos, then do subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.